In this video, I'll guide you through how to upgrade to Grammarly Premium. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves writing, upgrading to Grammarly Premium can be a game changer for refining your writing skills. With its advanced corrections and features, Grammarly Premium helps take your writing to the next level. So, let's dive right into the process of upgrading your account. If you find yourself already logged into your Grammarly account, your first step is to head over to your dashboard by visiting account.grammarly.com. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar menu. You'll notice several options, but the one we're interested in is the subscription tab. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the subscription section, you'll see different plans available for selection. Focus on the Grammarly Pro tier card, as this is the plan that will unlock all the premium features you're looking for. Selecting this will bring you to the next part of the process, choosing your billing cycle. When it comes to billing, Grammarly offers flexibility to suit your financial preferences. You have three options here. First, you can go for the annual plan, which is billed as one upfront block. This option tends to be the most cost-effective over time, perfect if you plan on using Grammarly extensively. Alternatively, you might prefer the quarterly plan, billed every 3 months, which provides a good balance between commitment and flexibility. Lastly, there's the monthly plan, billed every month. Ideal if you want to test the waters before committing to a longer plan. Make sure to choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. Once you've decided on your billing cycle, it's time to enter your payment details. Grammarly accepts both credit card and PayPal, giving you the convenience of choosing what works best for you. Carefully input your preferred payment details, ensuring everything is accurate to avoid any issues with processing. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review your order details. Double-check that you've selected the correct plan and that your billing information is correct. This is your last chance to make any changes before proceeding. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details, click on the Place Order button. With that, your account will instantly unlock all the advanced corrections and features that come with Grammarly Premium. You're now set to enjoy an enhanced writing experience, tailored suggestions, and more comprehensive feedback on your writing projects. And there you have it. Upgrading to Grammarly Premium is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for improving your writing. Whether you're crafting an important email, working on a report, or just want to polish your prose, Grammarly Premium has got you covered. Enjoy exploring all the new features and happy writing.